Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make spring rolls. These rolls are super fresh and are loaded with vitamins and fibers. They are a great snack or light dinner. But first, before I show you, I'll get a head of lettuce from the garden. And some cilantro. Then I'll make a very thin slices from bell pepper. I'm using red, green and orange, and also cucumber, and of course avocado. I'm using this spring roll wrappers. They are rice paper wrappers. Soak them in a tap water, doesn't need to be hot, for 10 times. This is 9 and 10. Place it on a plastic wrap because it's going to stick. And I'm going to assemble everything in the first third. Start with the avocado, then cucumber, lettuce, red bell pepper, orange, and green. First, I will wrap the first part, and then I will seal the ends and just roll it. Second one, I start with the same avocado, bell pepper, cucumber, this is a very thin slice of carrot and cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, just leave it out. And lettuce. If you are going to keep it in the fridge, cover it with a plastic wrap and keep it in the fridge. Now for this one I used wild lettuce, and I'm using salmon with this one, baked salmon. Now I'll show you how to cut them in a very nice way. They will look beautiful. Diagonal way. That's how you cut it. See how beautiful they look? I serve it with a light soy sauce. Now it's tasting time. These rolls are vibrant with vegetables. It has a fresh taste and really good and very healthy. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell. And thank you for watching.